guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Raza from MR Tech Pro, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to enable the screen recording option on your iPhone or iPad. So with that, let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to go to your settings, and then from here you want to go scroll down until you see Control Center, and then from here you want to scroll down and you want to make sure you first add the screen recording to the shortcuts. So you want to add that, okay, and then you're gonna press the home button, and then now if I want to go to my Control Center, on this phone I'm gonna swipe up from the bottom, and here you see this icon for recording. And if you wanted to start recording your screen, all you have to do is you click that, and then as you can see, now it's recording my screen. So if I scroll to my screen, you can see it's recording, and then I just have to go ahead and press stop, and then if I tap on that, you can see now my screen has been recorded. So I want to mention, if you have a newer phone, iPhone 10 and up, then in order to get to the Control Center, you're actually gonna swipe from top to bottom, so like this, and the Control Center should come. So guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please remember to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, see you on the next one.